Hey, my name is Zeus, and thank you for reading my article on psychedelic support, the microdose elephant in the room. And if you haven't read it, come on, what are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? It's about the phenomena of microdosing, which is taking a full dose of psychedelics, whether it's psilocybin, LSD, and then breaking up that dose anywhere from 1/10 to 1/20th of its original size. The claim is if you take a piece maybe once a day, once every other day, over the course of a few weeks, you'll have all the cognitive benefits that are associated with psychedelics, like lowered anxiety, lessened stress-related behavior, without the subjective experience of psychedelics, which is the trip. This ability is called subperception, and it's a very distinguishing factor of microdosing. In this article, I talked to some of the top scientists in psychedelics, and we discuss whether this is something or whether it's just hype. If you want to know the answer, you gotta read the article. So read it.